tamang sagot. May panalo siya. Anong topic? About Chinese New Year, Valentine's Day, and JPMC. Ano ba yan?
Guys, magsulat kayo ng 1 to 10 and this question is for
Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year or
Meron may choices. A, B, C, or D. Makinig ha.
Okay. First question. I.
Sample lang, sample.
Game na game.
Dapat kasali mo. Wala na sample. Dapat kasali mo.
Okay, first question.
Makinig na.
What animal represents 2025 in Chinese New Year? A. Dragon, B. Snake, C. Seahorse, or D. Rabbit? Again, what animal represents 2025 in Number 2. Which color brings good luck during Chinese New Year? Number 2. Which color brings good luck during A. Black, B. White, C. Red, or D. Blue? Number 3.
Teka lang.
Guys, taas yung papel. Ay, yung pen. Kung okay na.
Okay na. Number
Ano daw letter ng dragon?
Number 1 yun. Number 3 question. Red envelopes symbolize A. Wealth and good fortune, B. Friendship, C. Health, or D. Love? Again. Red, A. Wealth and good fortune, B. Friendship, C. Health, or D. Love? Number 4. Love noodles symbolize of what? Long noodles symbolize of what?
Long noodles.
A. Wealth, B. Happiness, C. Long life, or D. Luck? Long noodles symbolize of A. Wealth. Number 5. Number 5. Chinese New Year is also called A. Moon Festival. Best workplace Valentine's value of what? Number 10. Best workplace Valentine's value of what? A. Pressure, B. Appreciation, C. Competition, or D. Silence? Again, best workplace Valentine's value or pressure, B. Appreciation, C. Competition, or D. Silence?
Competition! Competition, syempre. Competition kasi! Parang hindi natin malalaman kung sino lalabas ang November.
Last. Round 3. Okay na, round 3. Okay na kayo?
Meron last set.
Ayun! Yun ang gusto ko. SOP.
Hindi. Regarding work yan regarding work.
Regarding work na yan. Regarding work. James, pwede lumabas ka muna?
Bakit?
Lugi.
Oh. Okay na? Okay na? Okay na?
Grabe naman itong mga nag-e-exam na to. Busy.
Okay na kayo? Okay na? Round 3. 1 to 10. Hindi naman siya. Question C. Pressure or D. Conflict? Helping teammates promotes of what? Negativity, collaboration, pressure, or conflict? Last 5. Number 6. Recognition increase of what? Number 6. Recognition increase of what? A. Low morale, B. Motivation, C. Stress, or D. Risk? Number 6. Recognition increase of what? Low morale, B. Motivation, C. Stress, or D. Risk. 11.
Ay, video pala to, sorry.
C. 12.